Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my baked chicken tandoori in the oven, and it is so simple, quick and easy, required very little ingredients. In this bowl I have 2 whole chicken, which is a mixture of chicken breast and chicken leg, and I have a cut on the chicken leg part only, like 2 cut. And then I have a lemon. We're gonna use the juice of the lemon. My tandoori masala, you can use any tandoori masala you like to use or you have on hand. Some plain yogurt, salt and black pepper. So to this bowl, now at this time, just preheat your oven 400 Fahrenheit and get ready your tray. I'm gonna show you in a bit how am I gonna bake this chicken today. So add salt to taste. Remember, this is about 3.5 pound chicken each, so it's about 7 pound of chicken here. So add a generous amount of salt. I'm gonna add like 1 teaspoonful of black pepper powder. But tandoori masala, I'm gonna add all of them. Plain yogurt, we are adding everything. I forgot to show you, we're gonna need some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can just use vegetable oil. Add a little bit of oil, I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup, or you can add like 3 tablespoons, and then squeeze of lemon juice. Now my hand is clean. I already washed my hand, and you can wear gloves. I'm gonna use my hand and both hand, and I'm gonna give this chicken a good mix. The chicken has a good marination right now. You can marinate this and leave it in the fridge overnight or few hours. Today I'm not gonna leave this for any minute. My oven is already preheated and I'm just gonna go bake this, but I'm gonna go wash my hand, clean up, and then I'm gonna bring my tray and the rack here, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna bake this. Okay guys, I have a tray ready, which I'm using rack. Now these are not cookie rack. When you bake cookies, you let them cool on the rack. These are not the one, these are oven rack. So I have 2 different sizes. I got a large tray. I put my foil underneath so it doesn't make mess on my tray, so I don't need to be crazy and wash them like crazy. Just gonna be easy to remove and just throw the foil away. So this is ready, and I'm just gonna get the chicken and just line them. Okay guys, just make sure everything is even, like you have 2 legs over here, 2 legs over here, and same amount of the wings and the breast, so they all cook evenly. Okay, and now this is going to go in my preheated oven 400 Fahrenheit. We're gonna let this bake, and then in about half an hour we're gonna flip the chicken over and then let it cook on the other side for another half an hour or until completely done. My baked chicken was in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Remember, halfway you're gonna flip the chicken and let it cook on the other side, and it really depends on in the oven as well. Your oven can be different as mine, so just be careful of your chicken doesn't stay raw inside, or it may cook like overcook, get too brown for the amount of time. So just pay attention of that. So 400 Fahrenheit, 1 hour and 20 minutes. And this is how gorgeous it looks like. Now there is few ways of your chicken is ready. You can see the wings, colors is beautiful. You can still see the wings is soft, the bone is softened. You can see the the way they are. Another way is all the juices or the water from the chicken that has dry in the foil. As you guys can see, there's no more water, no more juices that to come from the chicken to get dry. So that is another way you know the chicken is cooked. Or you can use just a thermometer if you prefer to use that. But the chicken is perfectly done both ways. Look at this, it is juicy. You can see how juicy the chicken they are, and this is perfection. So now just get a big platter and then just plate the chicken the way you want, and then you can just top with some onion. If you like to have some onion, a red onion will be better. But other than that, you can just serve this as is with some fries or some potatoes on the side, or just some naan bread, some plain naan bread or some butter naan. And that's it. You have already plated your chicken and it is ready to serve on your dinner table, holiday season or all time of the year. Whenever you feel like eating oven chicken tandoori, just follow this recipe. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell, which is right here. And I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye for now.